Improving your Equifax credit score quickly requires a targeted approach focused on the specific factors that heavily influence credit scoring models like FICO and VantageScore. While there is no overnight fix for a damaged credit history, taking precise, immediate actions can yield noticeable improvements within 30 to 45 days. First, address credit utilization. Your credit utilization ratio, the amount of revolving credit you are using compared to your total credit limit, accounts for approximately 30% of your credit score. Paying down balances to keep your utilization below 30% across each card, and ideally below 10%, provides one of the fastest score boosts. Making multiple small payments throughout the month before your statement closing date ensures a lower reported balance to Equifax. Second, correct reporting errors immediately. Review your Equifax credit report for inaccuracies, such as incorrect late payments, accounts that do not belong to you, or duplicate collections. You can file a dispute directly through the Equifax online dispute portal. By law, credit bureaus generally must investigate and respond within 30 to 45 days. If an erroneous negative mark is removed, your score can rebound quickly. Third, leverage authorized user status. If a trusted family member or close friend has an older credit card with a high limit, a long history of on-time payments, and low utilization, ask them to add you as an authorized user. Once the account reports to Equifax, its positive payment history and age can instantly benefit your credit profile. Finally, avoid closing old accounts and refrain from applying for new credit lines. Closing an older account shortens your average credit history length and reduces your total available credit, which can inadvertently spike your utilization ratio. Similarly, hard inquiries from new credit applications temporarily lower your score. Focus entirely on optimizing existing accounts for rapid short-term results. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.